Wood line. We got to where it's still light a little bit. This is Alaska, so luckily gives us more time to hunt. Bear shot 21:39 on the 3rd of June. Here we are, midnight, 9 minutes after midnight, June 4th, walking out of here with a bear. First harvest of 2023, spring bear hunting. Straight out of Alaska. It helps spring bear right out of the bear dens, making it happen. Yee yee. Going to that bear bait. June 3rd. It's 2000. And it's about to be prime time. Checked one site, we got a little something on there. Got somebody hunting that one. Checked out another Dead Buddy site. We'll see what we got. Right now, 9:44. We've only been sitting here for how long? Like 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And we just had a black bear come in, a pretty good sized one. And he was pretty smart. He walked behind us. Here's our bait stand right here. We're looking this way. Luckily, my man Kayleb seen him out of the corner of his eye this way, and he's like, dude, they're right behind us. And they were over there in the thick stuff. Oh, he's going back this way. You see him? Yeah, I saw him. Oh my God, dude. What the fuck? He's down right there. You got that on video?
Yeah, it's all on video.
Death moon. Right here. Yee, bro.
Is that the noise they make when they die?
That's a death moon, bro. We got a good solid shot off, so we're gonna give him some time. Like I said, 9:38. Sitting here in the tree stand. My man Kayleb, is this your first bear hunt?
Yeah, it is.
Dude, my future brother-in-law's a good luck charm already. Yee. We'll tune in here in a minute. Damn it. I did it again. We found a lot of blood coming in here. Kayleb was on a trail. He found it. Walked right up on this bear. We're about to go do him a little poke on him. See if he's still dead. Ain't that right?
Oh, yeah.
Yee. On his head, go ahead and give him a good poke. Poke the bear, as they say. This is why you should only poke dead bear. We're talking about how we work out. Some people go to the gym, Planet Fitness, you know, doing some squats on a Smith machine. Me and Kayleb, we just walk up and down mountains with bears on our back. And if you're not carrying the bear, then you're gonna carry, well, your rucksack on your back and your front. Ain't that right? Oh, yeah. That's all that's left out here. That's all that's left. One spine bone. We took the rest of this shit home. About to. We're walking out for the last time. Been walking around for a while. Make sure we got everything. We got everything. Everything's packed up. Meat's butchered. It's all put in a tack box. We're gonna throw some ice on it. We got the hide prepared. I'll show you. When we get to the house, I'll pull it out. We've got the hide prepared. I just got to de-skull the head. So I got to deflesh the skull, take it out, get it ready for ADF&G. Or I think most taxidermists can do it too, but seal a black bear. So here we are. Me and Kayleb, man, last hunt, or last walk to the truck from the hunt. First hunt for you.
First hunt indeed.
So first of many, right?
Yep.
It's my new hunting buddy. So we're gonna get after it. Get some more bear in the freezer. But yeah, we're taking this one to the house and gonna bring them in the house and warm them up to about 165 degrees for black bear. All right, yee. I love it when I see my truck after a long. Oh, huh? What's up? You know, I was missing turkey hunting, watching all my brothers and one mission outdoors, laying out some turkey. And I actually seen one in Wasilla, and I thought about what I could do. It was in full strut too. A tom in full strut and a hen right outside the road. Probably there's not turkey here naturally, so probably somebody's pet, or they got out of someone's farm. So I did the right thing and just looked at it and